let us see how to add a URL or a web page to image or icon which is presented in any browser or any poster. So let me give one example, like if you are conducting some workshop or some conference or something, some event, and you need to insert a registration form link in that particular poster. So instead of providing the link itself, if you link that particular URL to some icon or to some image, then it looks good. Okay, so let us see by considering one example. So here I am using the Foxit Reader for my PDF reader. So this is Foxit Reader. I am using Foxit Reader. I opened one sample. Okay, for this demonstration, I have created this sample just for our understanding purpose. As you can see, you will be getting these kind of posters or brochures. I have given few instructions for this sample purpose only, but generally here you can see. So this poster somewhat related to conference. Generally you will be coming across like this: abstract link, presentation link, and paper link. These are to submit abstract, presentations, and paper, the final paper. Generally here you will be finding the URLs of that particular links. Instead of putting those links here, I have inserted icons which represents the their respective title. So this particular icon is related to abstract, this particular icon is related to presentation. So this kind of icons, if you are using, this will give like a professional look. So now how to insert a link to this particular image? I mean to say, whenever the user opens this PDF, so he can click on this image so that a abstract registration link will be open. So that is our requirement. For that, go to this home option. Under home option, you can see here link. Just click on that link. You will be getting this kind of plus button to choose the area. So now I am choosing this area. In fact, this is we are not choosing this particular icon, we are choosing that area. Simply we are inserting a link in some particular area in the PDF. That area is now we are choosing as an icon. Yes. Okay. So after this, you can choose thickness as 0. Generally, if you are getting something, you make this thickness as 0, and you make this color as white. Make this color as white. Okay. Then click on next. Here, obviously, default this open a web link will be selected. Okay. You go with that. Click on next. Here you need to provide the URL. Okay. To which you want to redirect. Let me give one example, google.com. Instead of this, you can choose any URL. Click on OK. Okay, now everything is done. Now let me save it, Ctrl S. Now go to home. See, now if you are selecting this, it is showing a URL. Just click on it. It is asking a permission to redirect to some page the document is trying to connect to. So click on allow. See, your linked URL is opened whenever the user click on that particular icon. Okay, similarly you can do for these two icons also. Remember that here we are not inserting a URL as an image, just we are inserting URL in the PDF in some location. That location we are choosing like a icon. Wherever the icon is there, that place we are choosing to insert the URL. So with this kind of setting, you are giving some professional look. Okay. Thank you so much.